Hey, I'm Divyansh, and I'm recording this video for demonstrating you what all changes I made in this file. So this file is a part of DC proj, DC dash and utility.py. And basically, let me show you what the issue was. Um, yeah, here's the issue. So optimize method in function CSV to PSQL, right? So the problem was that till now we were only able to add a CSV or upload a CSV of max say 12 columns. But the thing was that if someone wanted to have a CSV of more than 12 columns, it wouldn't support. The system would crash, the server would crash. So this issue was to make it scalable, and yeah. So let me show you what I did. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the function CSV to PSQL. I'll show you what the previous code was. So the previous code was this, which is commented out right here. So as you can see, the whole commented out lines. What it was doing was it was basically taking if else conditions to compare the length. Let me uncomment this so you can see it better. Yeah. So it was basically used to having check on the number of columns, and it was doing this for all the possibilities. So for 8, for 9, for 10, which is not scalable at all. So say someone wants to upload a CSV of 20 lines or 20 columns, then we would need have to add, for all the 20s, and this is not the way to go. So what I did was, wait a second, where is it? 1 4, yeah, here. So what I did was basically all these checks were defining data types. I just made an array of column data types, and these three lines will take care of everything that is required that was previously coded in all these lines. Simple for loop which will iterate over the CNTDF calls, and it will append the data type to this call data type. This pretty much take cares of about all these lines here. The other changes I made were, let me, yeah, so about 300 lines were just reduced to 3 lines. And wait a sec, yeah, another thing was same in this case also. What was happening is there were if else checks for each columns. Let me uncomment this. So you see, if the length was 5, have these steps and then execute. If the length was 6, add these steps and then, so it was not scalable at all. And what I did was same. I basically made a for loop, uh, and this array will take care of everything. So executing string is here, which will then get executed, and this executing string is basically the thing that we have in here, this string. So what happens is in each iteration this execution string gets appended with the current call data type, and this is where our previous example came in, our previous for loop came in. So that's why we coded that, and basically this for loop take care of all the redundancy code, all the hard coded code that is present here. So this now what will happen is we'll be able to upload any size of CSV, any column, not restricted to only 12, or we can have anything because it's scalable. Another issue that we were facing was this con error. So I was testing this last night, and I got few con errors that con was not defined. So what I simply did was, mm, yeah, so I just extended the scope of these few lines. I made them in the scope of this fifth level scope basically, so that the con declaration and the con usage were in the same block. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and this was the changes that I made to this file. And then I basically these were the changes in div Divyansh file, sorry, div Divyansh branch, and I created a PR which got merged 2 hours ago. So yeah, that's about it.